Here comes Thomas. I'm the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go! Coming through! Down the hills and round the wall! All engines go! Terence, time out! I think we might have set some kind of record for the heaviest load ever. And we brought them all the way from McColl's farm.
Hey, maybe when we're done we'll get some sort of prize. I should start writing my acceptance speech.
If anyone's going to win a prize, it should be us. Yeah, you only have to pull the load. We have to carry it. Are we done now?
Oh, we're just getting started. This is an important job.
They need to finish this wall. It protects the lighthouse from the waves.
It's just 3 more loads. Let's head back to McColl's farm for the next one.
Fine. But just 3 more loads.
Hey, Terence, you here?
Terence, come on. Let's get this show on the rails.
Here I am!
Ah!
Oh, sorry, Diesel. Didn't mean to scare you. Let me get you loaded up.
Oh, go. That's enough.
Yeah, this seems like plenty to me.
Guys, if we take half loads, it'll take twice as long.
Yeah, if you do less now, you'll have to do more later.
Oh, now that does make sense.
So if we take more now, then we can do less later. Fill her up to the tippity top.
Tracktastic. Fillering you up.
Are we there yet?
Phew!
Phew. This load was too heavy.
Oh, go easy next time, will ya?
But you wanted it to be big.
What do we know?
We don't know anything.
Seriously?
Come on, we'll take it easy on the next load and give you a chance to dry off.
Is he hiding again?
Hello? Terence!
I bet he's hiding in the haystack again. Nope, guess not.
Maybe he's gone. Guess we're done for the day. Huh, we are completely done for the...
Did I surprise you again? Sorry. Whoa, you guys look tired. Seems like the team could use a timeout.
A timeout?
Absolutely not.
Not all timeouts are bad. This is a good timeout. Like when you take a break in a game.
Right. We do like not working.
But we like not working for long periods of time. Not quick like a timeout in a game.
OK, so no time out now. 2 more loads and then we're done. And we can take a long time-out break. But maybe a smaller load this time, Terence.
Uh-huh. You got it.
Got to say, this lighter load is much easier.
It is. Look how fast I can go.
Oh, that's cute. Want to see fast? Watch this.
We don't have to go this fast.
Ha! That's nothing. That doesn't even get my boiler bubbling.
But it's got my axles aching.
Catch me if you can.
Oh, I can, and I will.
That was too easy.
You call this easy?
Hey!
Yeah, watch it.
Bolts, got to slow down. Are you guys all right back there?
I thought we were taking it easy this time. That was not easy.
You're right. We'll go slower from here on out.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm a little tired too, so easy, greasy.
Now what?
Oh, it's a traffic jam. We're going to have to find another way or we're never going to get done.
Why not take this as a sign?
Yeah, like the one over there. It says stop. It does say stop, right?
Mm-hmm.
It does, but we're not going to stop and we're not going to go home. We're going to go through Crumble Canyon.
What?
It's the only way to get this done. Come on, how bad could it be?
Bad, very, very bad.
You! Well, we made it, but I'm too tired to celebrate.
Last load!
I'm sorry, but that's not gonna happen.
Yeah, we're done. Finished. Finito.
What's going on?
The troublesome trucks are feeling tired and dinged up.
Oh, sorry to hear that, guys.
Yeah, for what it's worth, I'm pretty tired too.
Terence, how do you stay so cheerful? You've been working just as hard as we have today.
I told you, it's like having a break during a game. I take a Terence timeout. Look,
You bury yourself in hay?
yes, that's a Terence timeout. See, living on the farm, you get to see what animals do. Do you know what they do?
Moo and purr.
Ooh, yes, they definitely do that. But they also like to get cozy in the hay. So when I'm having a hard day, I find a great fluffy haystack and take...
A Terence timeout?
I don't know. I'd rather just finish up.
Well, we don't want to do that either.
Come on! It's like being inside a great big fluffy cloud. I promise you'll love it.
Fluffy clouds, huh? Well, we'll be the judge of that. Go ahead.
No, okay, slow down, slow down.
It could be itchy. You don't know if I'm Oh, say. This is nice.
Yeah, great tip, Terence.
Oh, me next. Ah,
You know, when you're working super hard, it's easy to feel cranky and tired. So it's okay to take a break to feel better.
Well, I do like cows, and cows like hay, so pay me.
that Terence timeout was amazing. Feel better, fellas?
I guess. Better-ish. Okay, I feel better.
Oh, me too. But you didn't hear that from me.
Great, but where's Diesel?
Just a few more minutes.
Okay, T-Dog, fill her up.
Come on, T-Bone, let's finish the day strong.
I feel amazing.
Lighthouse, here we come!
took a minute, but we finally made it. Now I can get back to work on my prize acceptance speech.
Missed us.
Nice moves, you two.
Guess that troublesome truck timeout really worked.
Troublesome truck timeout. Ha, good one.
Don't you mean a Thomas timeout?
I think you mean diesel dozing.
Good one.